Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys the #1 mindset shift you need to make to reach your fat loss goals. So let's get started. I think it's very fair to say that fat loss, weight loss, getting in shape is certainly not easy. That is why there is an entire diet industry around shortcuts, quick fixes, better, quicker, faster ways to get to the heart of the matter. And I think one reason why fat loss and losing weight is so hard is because it forces you to deal with yourself. A lot of times people, self included, will use food to comfort ourselves and to allow us to avoid dealing with parts of ourselves that we really don't want to deal with. Problems in our life, we may want to just numb ourselves with alcohol. You may want to numb yourself with food. You may just want to have that temporary comfort, even though you don't need all those calories, even though, yes, there's a healthier alternative, but you just want what you want in the moment. And I want to tell you guys what the #1 mindset shift you need to make today to be free of that, so that way you can actually make progress. So the #1 mindset shift to really make progress is this. It's to stop giving yourself an out. Let me repeat that. It's stop giving yourself an out. If you have a goal, you need a plan, and you have to follow that plan. So what I mean is, if you are supposed to go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week on specific days, don't give yourself an out. You say, you know what, I am going at 6 a.m. or I'm going right after work at 5:30 p.m. or you know what, I am gonna go during my lunch break. You set that time and you go, rain or shine. You can't be like, well, I'm gonna go if I feel like it, or I'm gonna go depending on how things are going with the kids, or I'm gonna go depending on the mood of my husband, or I'm gonna go depending on whether, no. It has to be, this is what I'm doing. And I think so many people let themselves off the hook too easily. They're like, well, when I get around to it. That's not good enough. If you have a goal, and if you wanna get from point A to point B in a strategic amount of time, that is not going to cut it. What you need to do is you need to say, okay, when am I going to work out? What am I going to eat? When am I going to eat it? And so many people are so wishy-washy. I'm like, well, I'm trying to eat clean. I'm trying to eat better. Guys, this is why it is so crucial to plan ahead. And the reality is, guys, if you fail to plan, you can plan to fail. I don't want you guys looking in the mirror 1 month from now and just be like, I don't know how I got here. You know how you got there. You got there because you failed to plan, you didn't execute the plan, and you didn't follow through. So guys, you have to plan ahead. It's not enough to just be like, oh, well, it just happened. Or you know what? Like, I just happened to accidentally have all those margaritas. Nobody is force feeding you. Nobody is making you put food in your mouth that you do not want. Nobody is forcing you to drink things that you shouldn't be drinking. You are making those choices on your own. So you gotta stop the BS. You gotta stop saying and acting like everything's an accident. You gotta stop acting like you didn't have any personal accountability in making the choices that you made. You had a choice and you made the choices that you made. So if you want results, you have to shift your mindset and be firm and say, you know what, this is happening. Just like your taxes need to get paid, just like your mortgage has to get paid, just like your rent has to get paid, or there's consequences. Guys, it has to be, this is happening. So if you need structure, if you need guidance, if you need a plan to get from point A to point B, gaugegirltraining would be happy to help you. We have great programs to help you jumpstart your journey if you would like a 6-week shred. Otherwise, we have customized programs that we can build exactly to your specific needs, which are completely awesome. Or if you want one-on-one coaching throughout that journey, let us know. We'd love to support you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.